Okay. So it represents set of concurrents. I am continuing the previous video. Some technical problem, video disconnected. Okay. See here, it represents set of concurrent lines. See here, if you want to find out the point of intersection of the point of concurrence is asking. So how can you find out? By taking these two lines. What you got here? M by Lx plus y minus m by Lx plus y is equal to 0 minus n by Lx plus 1 is equal to 0. Okay? If you solve them, these two, the point of intersection becomes 2. The point of intersection is nothing but a point of concurrence. Okay? In objective, if you want to do this problem, see here, in objective, if you want to do the point of concurrence directly, see here, given lines, these two lines you take, that is LA plus MB plus NC is equal to 0 and AX plus BY plus C is equal to 0. So, you know, two lines represent same lines, and what is the condition? A1x plus B1y plus C1 is equal to 0. A2x plus B2y plus C2 is equal to 0. These two represent same lines, means what can you say? A1 by A2 is equal to B1 by B2 is equal to C1 by C2. So same condition if you take here. So L here you take A, B, C are the variables you take. Okay. A, B, C. This is the equation in terms of A, B, C. Like that you have to consider. Don't take in terms of X, Y. Okay. So L by X is equal to M by Y is equal to N by 1. So if you want to find out the X value, equate these two. If you want to find out the Y value, equate these two. So X is equal to, that means L by X is equal to N by 1. That means L by N is equal to X. M by Y is equal to N. So M by N is equal to Y. So X comma Y is nothing but L by N comma M by N. This is the procedure to find out the point of concurrence. Next one is angle between two lines. Angle between two lines. So if you know the slopes m1, m2, then already we find tan theta. If theta is the angle between the two lines, whose slopes are m1 and m2. Already we discussed tan theta is equal to plus or minus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. If you want to find out the equity angle, keep modulus. Okay, this one you know. If you don't know slopes, if you know the line equations, a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. If you want to find out the formula in terms of the coefficients, this is in terms of the slopes. So this is first equation, second equation. Then and theta is angle between 1 comma 2. Then you can find out sin theta, cos theta, tan theta. Sin theta is equal to cos theta is equal to tan theta is equal to. Actually, if you use m1 is slope of first line. So what can you say? m1 is equal to, that is nothing but minus a1 by b1. That means slope of any line is minus 2. That is in the form of a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. That is minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y. m2 is equal to minus coefficient of x by coefficient of y of second equation. Okay, already we know, that's why I am doing here. Tan theta is equal to, what is the formula? Plus or minus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. That is plus or minus. m1 means minus a1 by b1 minus a2 by b2 by 1 plus minus of a1 by b1 minus of a2 by b2. This is equal to plus or minus. So what it is? If you take minus common, okay, here we get plus. Minus m1 minus m2 means minus or minus plus. So what can you say? Minus a1 by b1 plus a2 by b2. Take LCM. b1 b2 is the LCM here. So minus a1 b2 plus a2 b1 by, here also b1 b2 is the LCM. So b1 b2 plus minus into minus plus a1 a2 by b1 b2. These two will get cancelled. So what we have, plus or minus a1 b2 minus, if you take minus common also we get minus plus. Minus plus you can write as plus or minus, no problem. Okay, then what can you say after taking minus? Here it will be minus, here it will be plus. So again you can write plus or minus, no problem. So a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. This is the formula for tan theta. a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by a1 a2 plus b1 b2. If you want to find out sin theta and cos theta, take the formula here. Theta, tan means opposite side by adjacent side. a1 b2 minus a2 b1, a1 a2 plus b1 b2. Then what it will be? This is nothing but root over this one square plus this one square. So what is that? a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square. Similarly, plus a1 a2 plus b1 b2 whole square. If you simplify it, what you get? a1 b2 minus a2 b1 whole square plus a1 a2 plus b1 b2 whole square. See, this one you get, if you expand this one, you get this one as root over a1 square plus b1 square, a2 square plus b2 square you get. If you simplify, a minus b whole square formula apply, a plus b formula apply, a plus b whole square formula you apply. So and you simplify, you get this form, a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. This form you get. Okay, so derivation is not important, just directly you write. Okay, formula is important. Then what is the sin theta? Opposite side by adjacent side. Sorry, this is hypotenuse. Opposite side by hypotenuse for sin theta. Tan theta is opposite side by adjacent side. Cos theta means adjacent side by hypotenuse. Then what can you write here? a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by root over a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. This one is nothing but a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by root over a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. This is the formula to find out the angle between two lines. Next you follow the note here. If a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0, a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0, these two are the two lines. Okay, first one, these two are parallel. Parallel means what can you write? Cos theta is equal to r sin theta. If you write sin theta, what is the formula? a1 b2 minus a2 b1 by root over a1 square plus b1 square into a2 square plus b2 square. Okay, so parallel means theta is equal to 0, sin 0 is equal to 0 only. Okay, then what can you write? a1 is transpose, then what you get? This is 0, 0 into anything is 0. So a1 b2 minus a2 b1 is equal to 0. That means a1 b2 is equal to a2 b1. That means a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. This one transpose this side, this one transpose this side. So are parallel, then a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2. Second one, are perpendicular, then what can you write? Perpendicular means you go for cos theta. Okay, cos theta and whatever you can take, but cos theta is very comfortable zone because cos 90 is 0. So what is the cos theta formula? a1 b2 plus a1 a2 plus b1 b2 by root over a1 square plus b1 square into root over a2 square plus b2 square. Cos 90, perpendicular means theta is equal to 90 degrees. Cos 90 value is 0. Cross multiplication, this will become to 0. Then what can we say? a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. then a1 a2 plus b1 b2 is equal to 0. If these two lines are coincident, coincident means one is on another, then you know very well a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. Here it is not equal to c1 by c2 in general, but don't observe c1 by c2. Whenever they given two lines, then you have to follow a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 only. Next one is number of circles touching all the given three lines. How many circles we can draw if the given three lines? For these three lines, these three circles should be touched. That means every circle should touch the three lines. How many you can draw? It is depends upon the line nature. But suppose the lines are in this form. Okay, then how many circles we can draw? This is in circle, X circle, one more X circle. This is one more circle. So how many circles? Number of circles is equal to 4. If suppose two are like this parallel and one is transversal, how many we can draw? Just we can draw only three lines. Because if you want to draw here, so that one not touches third one. If you want to draw here, that one not touches the third one. Same like here also we cannot draw. So number of circles here how many are there? 2. Next one, if suppose all are parallel, then we can't draw number of circles is equal to 0. If suppose all are congruent, so point also one circle, very important, that is called the point circle. So here this point of congruence is nothing but this is lies on all the three lines. That means this touches all the lines. Okay, so then what can you say? Number of circles here is equal to 1. So this is very important topic. Okay, remember. So they may ask you like that questions. That means what can you say here? Given they may give three lines. First of all, we have to check it out. Two are parallel and another one is different. Then two lines. All are parallel. Then 0 lines. Congruent lines, one circle. Okay. If every two are intersecting lines. Okay, each of two are intersecting. Then 4 circles we can draw. This is very important concept. So they won't ask you given 4 lines, 3 lines are congruent, then how many circles we can draw. They give structures, some 2x plus 3y plus 4 is equal to 0, like that they will give 3 lines. We have to check it out, these 3 lines are congruent or parallel or intersecting lines. Once check it out.